Listen carefully to the passage. Try to understand the main idea and details. If needed, pause the video and listen again. You can replay the passage as many times as you want before moving on to the questions.
Sarah goes to the park every Sunday morning. She likes fresh air and green trees. The park is near her house, so she walks there. She takes her dog, Max, with her. Max is a big, friendly dog who loves to run and play. When they arrive, Sarah sits on a bench and reads a book. Sometimes, she listens to music or drinks coffee from her favorite cup. Max runs around, plays with other dogs, and sometimes chases birds. Sarah feels happy and calm in the park. She enjoys the quiet and the beauty of nature. After 1 hour, she walks back home with Max. It's her favorite way to relax before starting a new week.
Now, it's time for the quiz. Answer the following 5 questions based on what you just heard. Write down your answers and check how many you got right. Don't forget to share your score in the comments.